the ultimate fan club.
No, close.
It's the ultimate fan cave.
Yeah.
My name is Chris Del Conte, and I am the ultimate fan. Every day, something influences me that comes from Star Trek or Star Wars or science fiction.
Look how he sits like Kirk.
I don't need your commentary, will you, back there? Before I moved into this house and had this space, I actually had my entire man room compressed into a small closet that had all this stuff kind of jammed in it. Well, it's funny, I happened to see the posting for the Renovation show literally in the first 29 minutes. I was probably the first email you guys got, because I knew that although I built this out the last 12 years, it could definitely use a makeover. I kind of was born with the idea of just loving Star Trek. It's just one of those things that I just become very dedicated to this series and these stories that are being told, and I really do appreciate all the work that's done on the Star Trek. Here, my other pewter doll in the case is William Shatner. Star Trek 5, electric t-shirt, the large size poster. Mr. William Shatner on there, and this one I actually put in a frame. I was actually hoping Shatner would show up to the screening because I was actually having him try to sign this as well. Chris has no idea it's actually Bill that's here.
Hello!
Oh, no way.
Wow.
Hello, sir.
I've seen pictures of your room. I've got some great ideas.
I'm
Seriously.
thrilled.
No,
Oh,
seriously.
my God.
I saw a chandelier in France when I was there in Paris, and I think a crystal chandelier hanging from the ceiling.
Whatever you want to do.
And this wall, I thought would be great for like a large television set.
Is this a surprise?
Oh my
or-
God, are you kidding me?
We saw the pictures of this place. We've got Victoria, who's on
Right.
our design team.
Hello.
We've been throwing ideas off each other already for a bit.
I can see there's a lot of value with the collectibles that you have.
Yeah.
I want to see a lot of value in the space as well. It needs to be aesthetically pleasing.
Is there anything that you have that you've always wanted an autograph on and you haven't had a chance to get it?
Of course.
No,
Are you
you
kidding me?
can't put it
Yeah.
in the plural.
Yeah. No,
Pick
no.
one
I got
thing.
one thing, and I'll show it to you, and you'll dig it.
Tell you what,
It's right. Yeah.
Is it
Why
a-
don't you show that to
Yeah.
him and we're gonna start hauling stuff out of here.
Does it look like a chandelier?
Okay, yeah. Sign everything.
Give me a
But-
pen.
Yeah, right. Here, let me just make sure this right.
Fantastic.
Anywhere-
And what's your first name?
My name's Chris.
Look at me, I'm handsome.
You are handsome.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Hey, whoa, keep it on the table.
Guys, we have 2 hours.
I'm the world champion. Did you know that?
I'm going to leave you guys to this while Victoria and I do some work.
I need help.
This wall is calling me gigantic television set.
How big?
25 feet by 13.
Let me just measure how big this garage is.
We may not have the budget for that, but we'll work on it.
Okay.
It's important to have signatures on any collector items. So I'm just going to... There, if you just sign the collector's desk, no big deal. Added value.
Just a couple
Now grab a hold real hard.
There we go. I would not recommend sitting in there.
No, that's a chair that's seen as best eye.
That's my nightmare, sticking my hand in a dark hole full of cobwebs. Trying to make the barrier around.
There you go.
You can tell it hasn't been opened in 12 years.
This is the man room. It's called that for a reason.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Two daughters, 2 female dogs, and my wife, and none are allowed in here. Right? That's how it goes.
I knew
So,
it.
there you go.
All right.
Man room should have dust, right?
Oh my God! I think I have it on tape.
Already 100 times better.
Watch your head.
Whoa! I almost gave my life to this fan cave.
These stools don't really work for me.
Oh, we're doing more than stools. We're gonna do something fancy.
And you
Well,
want to
I
have
mean,
as well.
you gotta have giant chandelier here, a giant. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my God! What did you do?
Brother's got my back.
Yeah.
I've got a much
No.
safer spot for you.
What?
You sit right here.
What are you talking about?
No, this is great. This
Oh,
is
listen,
great.
you gotta listen to some of my ideas because.
Hold on. Oh gosh, yeah, this is great. You're a liability.
What do you mean I'm a liability? I'm an asset. All right, so listen, I can direct from here. Oh no! Oh geez, well.
We can literally take these off.
Here we'll do the bookcase in front of it and start putting all his stuff.
Thank Thank you so much. You guys have transformed my fan cave into a place that I can hang out with my friends. The view screen on the wall looks fantastic. I love this circle light in the center. It really makes the whole area look like a bridge. The rug is fantastic. It's got like a metal look to it. Thank you so much.
You bought this place 12 years ago, and now on the other side of this garage door, transform space.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
So you have a panel feature wall, 65-inch TV. We have a mural, brand new furniture.
How does it actually feel to have a transform space?
It feels incredible. It looks fantastic. And I gotta tell you, just having you guys come in and do what you did makes it so much better.
I mean, we have the ultimate fan memorabilia piece we're gonna leave with you, and I can even sign it if you want. Here you go.
We're leaving Bill with you.
Yeah. Are you leaving me here?
Yeah.
I mean, what adds more value to a Star Trek collection?
Than me. What happened to this?
I think, you know, we're not that high tech. You know, that's fine.
He's going more
I feel like
his show.
I was gonna ask 4 of us to beam up, but I left my.
Oh, I have it. I have it.
That was awesome.